how to install GPS map camera. First of all, go to YouTube or Play Store and simply type GPS map camera in the search bar. After that, click on the search icon. You will see the GPS map camera app at the top of the results. Ignore the other applications because they are ads. Now, click on the app and tap on the Install button. The app will first go into pending mode and then start downloading automatically. You just need to wait for a few seconds. The download speed depends on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, the app will start installing. After installation, open the app. When you open it for the first time, it will ask for some permissions. Make sure to allow all permissions, including location and photo access. Next, the app will ask you to choose a language. Select your preferred language. I will keep it in English and tap Next. Then allow all the required permissions and continue. This is the main interface of the app. You can see your current location and other details displayed on the screen. I have covered the camera here because I don't want to show my personal images or location. The app is very easy and simple to use. Whenever you take a picture, it automatically adds location details, date, time, and other information. You can also select images from the gallery and see complete location details. So guys, this is how you can use the GPS Map Camera app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.